Hi everyone, welcome to Growing Spaces. Today we're going to go on a tour of our 15-foot growing dome greenhouse kit. Here we have our 15-foot diameter growing dome. This is the smallest greenhouse kit that we offer, but you could still grow plenty of things inside. This dome comes standard with one door, the above ground pond, as well as all of the other 7 features, and also 3 venting panels. So it comes with 2 lower and 1 upper to help create a chimney effect. You do have the option to customize this greenhouse by adding an additional upper vent, either electric or solar fans, and water features. And we also have a desert cooling package, which comes with a fan and a misting system. This dome is approximately 150 square feet and is 9 feet 5 inches high at the center point. We do have a wide-angle lens on the camera so that you can get the full picture, but don't let that fool you, this is only 15 feet in diameter. Despite its small size, as you can see, there's still plenty of room to grow in here. You can grow a plethora of fruits and vegetables, and this is the ideal size for a backyard or a smaller family. The above-ground pond is positioned on the north wall, and it is what really sets us apart from other greenhouses on the market. This acts as your main thermal mass and captures the heat of the sun during the day and slowly releases that heat at night, which avoids any extreme temperature swings that you may see in a regular style greenhouse. This is also its own ecosystem. So as you can see, we have fish and plants in here, and we utilize the water out of this pond to water our gardens, and it acts as a natural fertilizer. The size of the pond correlates to the size of the growing dome. So as we get larger in size, we get larger in the ponds as well, and eventually they do change shape, but we'll get there. This greenhouse is small, but it is mighty. Thank you so much for coming on a virtual tour with us today. We do offer DIY and professional installation options for all of our growing dome greenhouse sizes, so you can pick what would work best for you based upon your budget and your construction experience. If you'd like to see a growing dome in person, we do have all 6 sizes available for tour at our Pagosa Springs facility, as well as a 26-foot growing dome up in Golden, Colorado. And we also have growing domes in all 50 states and 14 countries around the world, so we can find somebody that's local to you for you to go and see their space. I will have a form linked in the description box down below so that you can schedule your tour with us, and you can also always call us at 1-800-753-9333. If you are ready to buy, we would love to get you connected with a growing dome advisor. And again, I will have a contact form, and you can also just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.